Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So this video is really exciting because I've partnered with Rebdolls, which if you don't know is a plus size fashion brand that has some really amazing pieces, and their clothes are really true to size, so you never have to worry that you're not getting your right size. So their pieces are amazing. They're actually very like made to a shapely body. When you hold up the pieces, you can actually see there's almost like an hourglass shape in the pattern. So like I just love their pieces. They're really nice quality. I just can't wait to show you guys the haul that I have. I have lingerie and dresses for Valentine's Day. I know you guys are gonna love them. Like this first dress I'm in love with. I love that it's a different color. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm really excited. So this first dress is called the Change My Mind Ruched Mesh Mini Dress in the color teal. I'm wearing a 3X and you can see it's very true to size. It's not tight at all. It's like a very stretchy, comfortable material. And the top actually fits me big because, as usual, I am more hourglass, but my bottom is bigger. And so for the top, I had to put on a push-up bra. And I had to make the straps as short or as little as I could. So that's really great. If you are bigger on top, you never have to worry about not having enough space. There's a lot of space, a lot of stretch. I love this like mesh detail here. It's very stretchy. It has these really cute polka dots, which I love. And I love the little ruffles here. Another great thing about their dresses is the straps are wide enough and thick enough to cover your bra. So you can see how thick these bands are. They cover my bra straps. So if you're someone who wears a really heavy duty bra with thick straps, these will cover so you don't feel self-conscious about having a dress with like spaghetti straps and then your bra is showing. So that's another great thing about these dresses. So as you can see, it ruches all the way down. It hits me about a couple inches, like right in the middle of my knee to my ankle, and I am on the shorter side, so if you're taller it'll probably hit you around your knee, but it looks so pretty. Oh, so pretty. It does have a zipper in the back and it's really comfortable. Like I said, even though it looks like a bodycon, it's super comfortable. You guys is freaking amazing. Like, is this not Lady Gaga if she was plus size? I freaking love it. This is definitely a vibe. I feel like I'm Beyonce on tour. Definitely birthday dress for me. You guys know my birthday is the day after Valentine's Day, so I definitely think if I happen to go somewhere, this would be a perfect birthday dress. So cool. And there is padding here as well if you did want to skip a bra. I'm wearing a push-up because you guys always are like, why don't you wear a bra? I'm like, because YouTube is gonna demonetize me. Thank you so much. But today I had to show out. Love the sides here, how it has like this paneling. I love the sides with the paneling right here. It's so cool. And as well as here, it's just like a really cool design feature. I mean, it's completely covered in these beautiful AB rhinestones. So they give off this beautiful rainbow glitter effect. You can see it's like right below my knee. So perfect length to really feel comfortable, to party. It has a zipper in the back. And then I love that it's like a square neckline in the back because it covers your bra, so you're nice and protected. The thick straps, again, to cover bra straps. So it's just like so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Like it's, oh, and then it's really stretchy. Like the whole thing is extremely stretchy. I feel like even a 4 or 5X could wear this. Really stretchy again, but comfortable, and almost feels like you're wearing like a bodysuit shapewear without being uncomfortable. Like I feel like with some good shorts underneath, I could wear this all night. I could eat in this. I just really like this. And it is real rhinestones all over. Like, this is not an effect. These are actual rhinestones. So you guys can see actual rhinestones, not just an effect. So pretty. Dress is so pretty. So this was definitely a vibe. I feel like 2019, a lot of people were seen wearing dresses like this, and I never quite saw any or had one that really fit me right. I tried to look a couple times and they never were flattering. I think this is the first time I found one that I feel is actually flattering. It's giving me like sexy mummy vibes, but I like it. So for me personally, I probably would wear shapewear with this just to kind of help, because it is so, I guess, like unforgiving. But the ruching and everything does help as well. I'm not wearing shapewear now, and I still think it looks pretty good. It has some nice ruching down the sides, which helps give a nice shape. And then all the like ruching and layers in the front also help to, you know, just conceal everything a little bit. Ruching is really helpful and forgiving. I love the off the shoulder look. I just pulled the straps of my bra down, but usually I wouldn't wear a bra with something off the shoulder. I would just wear like a bandeau top, but that's up to you. So this is how it looks in the back. It has a zipper, of course. I love the square neckline. I love how the ruching on the sides really like helps encourage that hourglass shape. And I love how ruched things look on the back side. It makes your butt look like a peach. So around my knee, you could make it longer if you pull it all the way. Ruching down the sleeves. So pretty. And then you have that nice little like peekaboo hand look. Like it looks like you're wearing gloves. I love the color. It's the perfect like nudie ivory beige brown kind of color. So beautiful for like a garden wedding, for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I love this. This one doesn't have like that bodycon feel. It feels really soft on the body. So pretty. Yeah, love it. Dress is so beautiful. I had to change my bra because the other one, the strap ended up getting messed up. So this one I wouldn't wear with this dress because it's gray, but just for the purpose of the video, it's so pretty. So this one is more of a bodysuit, like that old school, but very still, maybe not old school, like classic bodycon look. Beautiful material, like so buttery, stretchy, but like sucks you in at the same time, but it feels so good on the body. Like, oh my god, beautiful blush satiny, beautiful satiny kind of material and blush color, like very rose inspired. So this again hits like right like a couple inches below the knee. That bodycon look with like the stripes going across on top here and then across here. So comfortable, like so beautiful. Oh my god, gorgeous. And then of course I love the detail of the sleeves here. I mean, how beautiful is this mesh detail, pom-pom kind of lace doily vibe. I mean, that is just so beautiful. It really adds like this organic kind of chic vibe to a bodycon that has a little more of a glam look, and I just love that. That really softens it. And if sleeves are something that you need because you're kind of self-conscious, this is like the perfect little accessory. This makes me feel so like bridal and cute. Like I feel like these would be really cute bridesmaids dresses as well, like, or something to wear to a wedding, obviously to wear for Valentine's Day. So pretty. Probably probably the most Valentine's dress I've ever seen in my life. It's literally, oh my god, this has to be like my favorite dress ever. I freaking love this dress. First of all, the color, and then the sweetheart like heart neckline, and then it comes to this like point, so it literally looks like a heart. So cute. Again, it's that bodycon stretchy material that kind of sucks you in but is very comfortable again. And then look at the tassels. Oh my god, it's not feathers, it's more just like tassels. So pretty. Oh my god, I just want to do this. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of a burlesque dancer. Like, I feel like I'm wearing a burlesque costume, and I love it because I love burlesque. And actually, that's what we did for Valentine's Day last year. We went to a burlesque show, and this makes me feel like a burlesque dancer. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, this is so cute. I think this is definitely what I would wear for Valentine's Day. If we go out, this is the dress I'm gonna wear. I'm obsessed. Like, I don't even think I could say anything else. I'm obsessed. Can I just wear this all night? You know what? Even if we stay home, I'm wearing it. What do you think, babe? I'm just gonna stay home and wear it and just have dinner and be like, hello, dinner served. I'm wearing this dress tonight. Thank you so much. That is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you to Rebdolls for sponsoring this video. I love these dresses, and you can see how each of them looked really good on me. There was no issues. They feel like they're tailored for plus size bodies, especially mine, and I just love their dresses. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Of course, everything will be linked down below for you guys, and I love these pieces. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.